After.
Happy birthday! How are you? Pushing me.
What's this? Tell me.
Yay! Good job!
She knows it's her second word.
Yeah. Say good morning. Say here, be. Hey, say good morning. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Ate Ba.
Good morning. Hey!
How about Lini say good morning? Have a look at my nails.
Morning.
Morning. Did you have a good sleep? Oh no, Bobo. Oh no, no.
You should say it's
Did you dream?
not that tonight.
Nah. How about you, Lynn? Did you dream?
I never dreamed that.
Mermaid.
Mermaid.
Why does it look like you've got a bigger head than your ate?
Mermaid. Mine is bigger.
Beautiful girls. Oh, mama's beautiful girls.
Mommy, stop.
Do you want milk? Yes, please. Say please. Okay. Morning, guys. Saturday morning. May milk si Inday. Magluluto tayo ng breakfast ngayon. I've got 3 eggs here. Ayan. Maggawa tayo ng scrambled egg. Alam niyo ba, as mentioned sa vlog ko kahapon, today is going to be a very, very, very exciting day. You got no idea how excited I am today, guys. We are going to a birthday party. Yes, that's one. But I'm going to see my very close friends from Melbourne. I haven't seen them for years. When I talk about years, guys, not just 2, not just 3, but 4 to 7. Can you imagine that? Oh my God. So, Ate Michelle, she's a very good friend of mine. Sila yung na-meet ko when I first arrived here in Australia in the year 2011. And due to work and, you know, family, we move everywhere and that. So, hindi na kami nagkita-kita. So, yung auntie ni Ate Michelle, which is Ate Fe, she lives in Melbourne, right? The last time that I saw her was when Mike and I were still dating. Kasi pinakilala ko si Mike sa kanila. And since then, hindi na kami nagkita-kita ulit, guys. And you know what? Ngayon nila isa-celebrate yung 65th birthday ni Ate Fe. And Ate Michelle invited us. And this will be the time na magkikita kami ulit after kami ni Ate Fe, 7 years. Like, yeah, good 7 years. And Ate Michelle probably, well, I saw Ate Michelle last time when Paris was 1. I think she turned 1. Pumunta si Ate Michelle sa bahay namin sa Melbourne, guys. Uy, careful lang. And that was it. That was the last time na nakita-kita kami. So, 5 years, like, yeah, 4 years, something. Ngayon lang kami magkita-kita ulit. Can you imagine that? So, this is like the true, guys, na parang proof na even though yung friends mo, kahit hindi kayo magkita-kita for years and that, if you are good friends, if you're real friends, no matter what, kung gaano kayo katagal di magkita, you are still friends. I know in my heart that, you know, they have a special, you know, spot in my heart. They're really, you know, like, very dear to me. And now na magkikita-kita kami ulit, I'm super, super excited. Last time na nagkita kami, wala pa kaming kids. Date pa more kami ni Daddy Mike. And ngayon, may 2 kids na ako. So, I'm very excited to introduce the kids to them. And, of course, nakikita nila sa Facebook, ganun, sa social media and that. But, it's still different, you know, when I'm going to introduce my kids to them. I'm very proud. Huh? Ano? You're going to meet Nanay C and Nanay Fe today. 3 o'clock pala yung celebration, guys. So, yung drive papunta sa kanila, sabi sa Google Maps na 35 minutes ata. So, aalis kami dito mga around mga 2:30. I've done my hair. Ayan. So, mamaya hilamos na lang and makeup and then the kids. So, diba? Excited. Sinong excited? Basta guys, sobrang excited ko. My God, grabe. Grabe talaga. Kasi, they are part of me na, you know? Scrambled egg tayo, guys. And, I've got rice from kagabi. So, i-ano ko yan din siya, fried rice. For the kids. Here's my nails. Pakita ko pala sa inyo. Oh, diba? Sobrang ganda niyo, guys. Look it. Hindi ko pala na-mention sa inyo kagabi, no? May isa siyang bagay na ginamit para ma-shape yung kuko mo na ganito. Kasi yung kuko ko is gumanon ba? Kasi wala naman siyang alaga. So, meron siyang, pang ininit niya ganon, may machine. Tapos, para siyang plies ba? Ginanyan niya, oh. Para ma-shape. Tingnan nyo. So, di ba para siyang parang skinny siya tingnan? Diba? Time check tayo, guys. It's now 2:30 ng hapon and we are now all ready. Si Daddy na lang yung hinihintay namin. So, he's getting dressed now. But si Mami nyo ay nakabihis na. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ating outfit for today and also sa mga kids. Tingnan nyo ang ating pa-makeup today. Oh my God! I think I did, tawag dito? I did good sa aking makeup today. Kasi I took my time. Hindi ako hindi ko binilisan. So, parang lang siya, ganun, contour pag may time. So, I like my makeup today. Hindi masyadong kita ang ating melasma. Ayan. So, hindi talaga ako gagamit ng sobrang daming foundation, guys. So, I use liquid foundation. But, the consistency of the foundation is really good. Nakaka-cover niya ako kahit na sobrang liit lang nang nilalagay ko. So, ayan. So, hindi siya sobrang cakey tingnan because maliit lang yung nilagay ko. Pero, natabunan niya konti. Andyan pa rin, guys. Hindi yan siya mawawala kasi yung aking melasma ay sobrang na talaga siya. Ayaw niya talagang humiwalay sa akin. So, yeah. Anyways, my hair. Ganyan. And that. So, ang ating pa-outfit for today, I'm super excited. Siguro, mas malaki pa kasi siguro to siya. Ayan, oh. Dito kasi yung last ng kanyang belt. So, maybe, hindi naman siya halata. Siguro, I'll just do like this or something para ma-cinch in pa ang aking waist. So, kita nyo ba dyan, guys? It comes with shorts. Sobrang ganda niya. Tweed siya. Para siyang Chanel. I love it. So, talaga yan siya? Pair talaga yan siya. So, yun yung kanyang shorts. And pinapili ko si Daddy Mike ng shoes na ipapalis ko. And again, ito na naman yung shoes. Gustong-gusto niya to, guys. Sobrang ganda kasi din naman kasi tignan, diba? Pointy siya, kaya nakaka-sexy ba? So, ganyan siya. Hindi nyo makita full outfit. Mamaya na lang. Ayan. So, feel ko ang aking beauty today. Minsan lang, ha? Minsan lang tayo makapag-aura-aura. And then, the bag that I'm going to wear today is my, ayan. Ito yung aking original na Chanel na minsan ko lang nilalabas. At sa araw-araw, ginagamit ko yung mga, alam niyo mga padala sa akin na hindi urig. Kasi, pangharabas ko man yun sila, guys. Ito kasi, yung original, I tend to baby it. Kasi, I know kung magkano yung binayad ko sa bag na to. So, yeah. Yan yung problema. Kaya nga, I'm very happy with my peke na mga bags. Kasi, kahit ilang pasok ko guys, ganun, very durable pa rin siya ba? Hindi talaga siya masisira kaagad. This one, especially because this one is a vintage bag, it's very delicate. Yung kanyang lambskin leather. So, ayan, nilalabas ko lang siya kapag may mga okasyon, ganun. So, ganyan ang ating pa-aura.
Why?
Uy!
I want my own candy.
We make sure you don't eat, ha?
I'm not. It's fake.
Ayan. So, crossbody pala to siya kasi square. Pero, ginaganyan ko siya, guys. Kasi gusto ko siyang suotin sa shoulder. Oh my God! So, love my outfit today. What do you think of my outfit, guys, for today? Hayaan nyo na. Minsan lang naman si mami nyo mag-aura-aura. Uy, nang ganito. Most of the time, ang ating buhok ay nakaganon. Diba? Tapos yung ating mga damit ay pang ano lang. So, kapag may mga chance na may mga okasyon na ganyan, ay hindi tayo magpa-losyang-losyang. Ganun. So, pakita ko yung outfit ni Ate Paris din, guys, sa inyo. Lagay ko lang ang aking baby dyan. There. So, dress yan siya. Pakita namin ng better mamaya. Dress siya. Meron siyang ganyan pa sa ilalim. And it has a blazer. Uy, sorry. Yung shoes na papasuot ko sa kanila is yung pinili ko sa AliExpress na mga gemstone, mga ganun. The same kay Baby Celine, but I'm not sure kung susuotin ni Baby Celine kasi last time na pinasuot ko sa kanya, sabi niya ouchie daw. So, tingnan niyo ang sinuot niya. Ting, 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 ting! Who's my beautiful girl? Who's my beautiful girl? Come on. Alam niyo ba, itong dress na to, binili ko to siya last year sa kanyang first birthday. So, ito pa yung kasya sa kanya. Di ba, bumili ako ng bago. Pinakita ko sa inyo sa vlog ko nung nag-haul ako. Malaki pa siya. So, pinasuot ko na lang yung binili ko last year. The same lang din naman. Tutulog na ata. Ay, shush, kiss na lang, Mama B, with the sound. I love you. Dito na kami, guys. Alam niyo ba? Nearly 1 hour pala yung, drive. Nakatulog to. Nagising lang ngayon. Yan ang ating baby Celine. Tingnan nyo na ang ulo. Na ano nang nangyari. I'm just gonna put Ate Paris' shoes. Actually, Celine's shoes as well. Daddy, can you move your arm, please? Shoes. This is Ate Paris' shoes. Hala, nabalik ng lock. Hala. Natong-tong. Uy, Celine is there. Sorry lang. Si Celine ay tulog na tulog. Hindi pa nag-nap. Okay, you can take off your seatbelt now, Ate.
Mama, which place are we going?
The house there. Okay?
Do I with the gray? Do I with that very long tree?
The blue.
That's what I'm saying.
Sana hindi mapansin ni Baby Celine ang kanyang
Oh, that's what I was saying. The one next to that one. The one with the green top.
Yes, the blue one.
The one next to there.
Time check tayo, guys. It's 4:12. Nalagyan ko ng sapatos, tulog pa rin. You gonna carry Celine? Hey, Daddy.
Hello. Yes, I'll carry her.
Surprise!
Pushing me.
Can you say lechon? Lechon. Pulaman. But still handsome. Still handsome. Oh, dami nilang pagkain, guys. Meron pa silang mga dito, cassava cake, lechon. Oh my God, cakes. Ano ba to? Putumaya? Lini! Si Ate Paris, nandun na sa labas, guys. Laro pa more. Here they are. You okay, Paris Nicole? Hanap ng kalaro.
They're just up there.
Did you go upstairs?
Yeah, we're playing with the money.
Oh.
And you speak to a lot of country people.
Lini. Nak, do you want cheese lah? Cheese?
We don't see your type of work out
No?
there.
Careful there. Careful, you might trip. What's that you drinking?
As well.
Lini.
It's just an eye opener.
What is it?
But I want
Juice! Sabi niya, ininom na ng daddy niya, juice! Uminom ang daddy niya ng beer, sabi niya, juice. Beautiful girl. Do you wanna put your shoes on? Not allowed to touch that, honey. No, no, no! Ay, hala, nanay, see you, Put it back, please. Yeah, good girl. Good job. Good job. Kita niyo yun guys, ang kanyang thumbs up. Good girl. Good girl. Oh my God, Celine, you're the cutest. What is that? It's a rock. Put it back. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Batang ayaw kumain. Sige lang. Kaat-kaat. It's my friend. Kaibigan. May dinuguan guys. Ubus ng dinuguan ko. Chicken and lumpia. Si Lini. Wala na ang lechon.
It's alright.
What did you just say?
He said, it's alright.
Yeah, isn't that why? Because on the screen, he forgot to pull the sticker out. I couldn't read the temperature.
Naong na si Lini. Hindi tayo makakain ng mabuti kasi yan yung pagkain ko. Yung mga kiddos nandito naglalaro. Can see your bum bum, Lini.
Is everyone ready? Yes. Okay. Apple.
Gotcha, Lin Lin. She found you.
Ben. Hey, it's nice. It's so cute. I don't know any spots. I see some.
Where are the other ones, Lin Lin?
I found you. Who hasn't had a go of being the hide and seek person? Yeah.
Ito ang taguan nila. Ito lang room na to.
Guys, we got it. I choose.
Careful, Georgie.
Actually, yeah, you take that spot. Hey, we can both go in there. No, it's too scary.
So, Mama,
Let's sing a happy birthday song.
naipit ang ating baby, guys. Ang kanyang thumb. Naipit sa door. I'm gonna sing happy birthday now to Nanay Fe. Yeah, you like singing happy birthday, don't you?
It's the first thing.
Nanay Fe.
And that's a table? Oh, did he just a table? Did he just a table?
Let's go. Yay, you gonna sing?
In the table.
You're gonna sing. Happy birthday.
Can we hold it?
When I saw the cake, I was like singing in there already.
Yeah.
I was racing. I was really excited.
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Come right here and help Lola, George.
I'm sorry.
Come on, wait. 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy Ay. Ate lang piyo. Uy, agas ito. Pakpak mga binayaran.
Ate myself
Ano naman?
happy.
Oh, very good.
My 65th birthday.
65th.
Yay!
Salamat!
Salamat. Thank you very much.
Salamat. Wow, you're doing well. Oh my goodness. Mama's gonna. Oh, is this Mama's?
Whatever you want.
Is this Mama?
I help you. Mommy help you.
Yes.
Lynn, this is yours, anak. Celine. Celine, this is yours. This is yours. I'll get you the fork, okay? What's wrong?
It's good,
Okay,
alright.
exchange. Good girl. Thank you, Ate. Okay, I'll get you a fork, okay? You don't want to?
Want to?
No, she wants that one now. She's silly. Okay, I'll get you a fork. Tanawa na, guys. What's lagi? Pamukpo. Come on. Paris, you said one. Wala na. Ubus na ang anak. Where's Celine? May bit-bit na ako. Biko. Biko, kasabagay. Kuchinta, sapi-sapi ang brownies. Oh my God. Uwi na. Skip that?
Exhibition friend.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do. Oh,
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
we're home. Time check. 12:05. Yes, that's the time, guys. Midnight na. Nakauwi kami mga at least half an hour ago, I think. So, tulog na yung mga kids. Pati si Danny Mike, ayan sa sofa nakatulog. And, ngayon lang ako nakalabas. Pinadedi ko sa baby Celine. And, what a day. I'm so happy. Like, my heart is genuinely happy to see them again after long years. And especially with Ate Fe. Kasi, as mentioned, hindi ko siya nakita for 7 years. And within that 7 years, na stroke siya pa. So, you know, medyo na ano ako, ang tawag doon. Nasaktan ako a little bit, you know what I mean? I know I'm grateful that she's there and, you know, kicking and alive. But, you know, different kasi doon sa, you know, yung Ate Fe na nakilala ko 7 years ago. Yung last time na pagkikita namin. Like, she's very chatty and very... The only thing na hindi nag-change actually is the way she laugh. Ganun pa rin. But, yeah, she had a stroke. And I'm very lucky that she's still with us now. Hindi na katulad before na, you know, very, magsalita, yung diretso-diretso. Ngayon nakakapagsalita siya, but just slow. You know what I mean? Sobrang dami naming bit-bit na pagkain, guys. Alam niyo ba? I'm super sleepy. Lumabas tayo ako, guys, kasi yung mga pagkain kailangan kong ilagay sa fridge. Kasi hindi na ako makarinig ng ano dito. Daddy Mike, tulog na pala. Buti lumabas ako kasi yung mga pagkain dito masisira. So, of course, pag Filipino handaan, merong Sharon Cuneta. Balutin mo ako. Ganun. Tapos Ate Michelle pa, sobrang dinamihan niya, guys. Yung nilagay niya talaga sa plastic na tuba, oh. Nung ano guys, sabi natin siya, kumuha ka ng gusto mo. Alam niyo naman ako, di ba? Yung gusto ko ay yung kakanin. And, yung kinuha ko is yung sapin. Tingnan niyo. Ang sarap nito pag parisa ng kape. Si Ate Michelle pa yung gumawa daw nito, guys. Ayan. Hindi ako kakain kasi sobrang dami ng pagkain din. May lechon din doon, di ba? Hindi na ako nakakain nito. Sabi niya na, just bring it home. Nagdala ako ng biko. Oh my God. Biko. Sobrang dami ng pagkain, guys. Grabe. Meron pa akong cassava cake. My goodness. Kainin na natin yung cassava cake. Karong dito. Ang masarap na. Sobrang sarap. Napaka-soft. I also met other Filipino friends. So, it's good na makipaghalubilo sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Brisbane. Alam niyo naman si mama niyo, hindi para labas. So, yung mga kakilala kong Pinay, yung family ko dito, sa playgroup, yung makilala kong isa, ganun. Kasi, hindi naman ako lumalabas. So, it's good na meron tayong mga nakilalang bago. Although, medyo nahiya ako guys kasi inaano nila, ang tawag dito, tinatanong nila yung kilay ko, kung saan ako nagpagawa ng kilay ko. Sabi ko, dinrawing ko man lang yan. Uy, yung kilay, tinan nyo nga yung kilay, oh. May time kasi ako mag-drawing kanina. Oh, pak na pak. Really? Is that really your ano? Akala na nagpagawa daw ako ng kilay. Because yeah, I had like tattoo like maybe 8 years ago. Pero wala na yun kasi parang nawala na yung shape niya eh. So, alam niyo naman, di ba makikita niyo sa mga videos ko pag nandito lang ako sa bahay, hindi naman ako nag-eyebrow. Fini-fill in ko lang siya ng eyebrow pencil. Yung parang manipis pa, matulis na eyebrow pencil. Yun yung gamit ko para ma-shape ko siya ng maayos. So, they actually love it. And then, they started talking like, oh, your teeth. Your teeth is nice. I said like, oh yeah, thank you. And then, they started talking about my hair, that my hair color is nice. And saan ko daw pinagawa, yung mga ganito, anong kulay. Sabi ko, hala, nahiya naman ako. Mag-walk out na ako nito. Kaya nahiya na ako ba sa mga compliments. But at the same time, very, appreciative. Kasi at least na, nila na appreciate nila yung ating hair, ang ating eyebrow. But most of all, I'm very happy kasi yung feedback ni Ate Michelle tsaka ni Ate Fe. Sabi na, you look happy, you look great. Kitang-kita daw na inalagaan daw ako ni Daddy Mike. And I said, yes. Very well looked after. Alagang kuya, ganun. And even though, yun na nga, hindi straight yung pagsasalita ni Ate Fe. Sabi niya kay Daddy Mike na, Mike, remember what I told you then? The last time na nagkita kami was, yun nga, pinakilala ko si Mike sa kay Ate Fe. And, nag-usap pala sila naman, guys. Sabi niya, take care of Jovi. Di ba? Na-touch din si mami niyo. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, meron talaga silang special spot sa heart ko. Kahit na hindi kami nagkita, hindi kami nag-uusap. And that's the true meaning of friendship. That's the real friendship, guys. You don't have to see each other every day. You don't have to talk every single day. It's even if, sobrang tagal yung hindi nagkita, when you see each other, it seems like nothing has changed. Like the same bonding, the same feeling, yung ganon. And yeah, they're really one of my realest friends. So, ano pa mga nilagay dito natin, Michelle? Tingnan natin. Hala, nilagay man sa Uy, ang ating bag ay naniman ng ano. Diba, ang dami naman pinadala ni Ate Michelle. Uy! Look! Okay ka lang, Ate Michelle. Oh my God. Kainin ko kaya ito ngayon. And lechon. May lechon. Oh! Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yun, thank you, Ate Michelle. Para sa mga, sa food and also, obviously, the great company. We had a great night tonight, singing and, catch up, chika-chika. Kunting chika lang, guys, kasi, we haven't seen each other for a long time and we can't talk about everything just in one setting. So, kailangan namin mag-catch up talaga. But anyways, I'm going to end the vlog here now, guys, kasi yung aking mata ay nahuhulog na talaga. I have to take this contact lens out. Ayan, pupula na ang aking mata. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!